Imagine this, a human body breathing with the help of a pig's lung. It sounds like science fiction, right? But just a few months ago in China, scientists actually did it. For the first time in history, a pig lung was transplanted into a human being. This wasn't a Hollywood movie. This was real science, documented, and published in Nature Medicine. And today, we're going to dive into this groundbreaking story. What happened, why it matters, and whether pig organs could really save human lives in the future. In May 2024, inside a hospital in Guangzhou, China, a team of scientists prepared for something that had never been done before. Their patient was a 39-year-old man who had been declared brain dead. His family gave permission for a bold experiment to receive a lung from a genetically modified pig. Now, why a pig? Because pigs are surprisingly close to us in biology. Over the past few years, researchers have transplanted pig kidneys, hearts, even livers into humans. Some of those patients live days, weeks, or even months. But lungs are far trickier. They don't just filter blood, they breathe. They're constantly exposed to the outside environment, pollutants, bacteria, viruses. They're fragile, and until this study, no one had ever successfully placed a pig lung into a human body. So, the surgery was done. The lung, taken from a pig that had been gene-edited to reduce rejection, was carefully transplanted. The man's immune system was suppressed with special antibodies. Doctors monitored every breath, every reaction. Here's the surprising part. The human body didn't immediately reject it. There was no violent immune attack in the first hours. The lung showed signs of injury, yes, but it worked. For 9 days, doctors watched as the body accepted this foreign organ more than anyone had expected. And then, as planned, the experiment ended. The patient's family had requested it, and the scientists had already achieved their main goal, proving that a pig lung could function in a human body, even if only for a short time. You might be wondering, why take such a huge risk? The answer is simple: demand. In the US alone, more than 100,000 people are waiting for organ donations. Thousands of them need lungs, but only about 20% of donor lungs are actually usable. And even when patients finally get one, survival rates aren't great. Lung transplants have some of the worst outcomes among organ surgeries. So imagine a future where doctors don't have to wait for a human donor. Instead, they could have a steady supply of healthy, genetically modified pig organs. Standardized, reliable, no more rolling the dice. As one expert put it, like buying a used car. This could be a paradigm shift in medicine. Still, this is not a miracle cure. Far from it. Experts warn that we must stay cautious. The experiment lasted just 9 days. We don't yet know what would happen after weeks or months. Would the lung still function? Would the immune system eventually destroy it? Could infections take over? And there are bigger questions, too, ethical ones. Is it right to raise animals only for their organs? Is it right to use brain-dead patients for these trials, even with family consent? And if this technology becomes real, will it create a two-tier system, where some people get the best human organs, while others get second-best animal ones? The science is moving fast, but society will need to decide how far we're willing to go. So, what do you think? Could pig organs really be the future of human transplants, or are we crossing a line that shouldn't be crossed? One thing is certain, the first pig-to-human lung transplant marks the start of a new chapter in medicine. It's proof of what's possible, and a reminder of how much we still don't know. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cutting-edge science, don't forget to hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more stories that are shaping the future of humanity, because the next medical revolution might be closer than we think.